Hi, let's make 2020 your most healthy year ever. Hi, I'm Steve Rapicelli from Performance Physical Therapy, and I'm inviting you to click on the link down below. Well, it's not really a link, they're buttons, and sign up for one of our Healthy Talk series, which is going on throughout the year in any one of our 3 locations on a number of different topics. You can choose from the following: learning about joint replacements. It seems like everybody and their brother is getting a joint replaced. So how about if you learn what you can do beforehand so that you can have an exceptional result from a hip or a knee replacement? We have seminars on balance. Balance is a big deal if you're over 40 years old. So we teach you 4 simple techniques that you can use to assess whether you have a balance problem or not, and exercises that you can do to improve your balance. We have talks on having healthy shoulders. If you reach up on a shelf and your shoulder hurts, or if you have trouble every time you turn over in bed, we have a seminar to teach you about that. We also have seminars on pelvic health, which is a new area of specialty in our field, and you can learn a lot about how to take care of your pelvic region. And we also have seminars on how to exercise and not injuring yourself. We have all kinds of topics for you. So what I want you to do is I want you to look down below underneath this video, click on one of the icons on what you're interested in, and a schedule will pop up, and you can sign up for a time and a date that's great for you. And we are looking forward to helping you have a wonderful 2020.